A lot of beginners get confused when it comes to dividends. May ex-dividend date, may payment date, at yung dividend column. So, alin nga bang importante and ano itong mga to? Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video, ipapaliwanag ko in a simple way and difference between ex-dividend date and payment date para hindi kayo malito when investing in dividend-paying stocks. Quick disclaimer lang, this is not my profession. I'm just sharing my knowledge and feel free to comment your questions down below and I'll happily discuss it with you. Remember to always do your own research and invest at your own risk. So, what are dividends? Quick recap lang. Dividends are cash payments given by the companies to shareholders or tayo as a reward of owning their stock. Hindi lahat ng companies nagbibigay ng dividends. Kadalasan na nagbibigay is yung mga may stable, established companies. To know more about dividends, kindly watch this video para magka-views naman siya. Ex-dividend date. Ano nga ba ito? Ito basically ang importante mo malaman when it comes to buying stocks. Or ito yung pinaka-importanteng date kung gusto mo makatanggap ng dividends from that company. If you buy the stock before the ex-dividend date, eligible ka or makakakuha ka ng dividends. If you buy on or after the ex-dividend date, hindi ka na makakasama sa payout. Basically, in simple terms, buy before ex-dividend date equals to my dividends. Buy on or after ex-dividend date equals, wala ka ng payout. Example, ang ex-dividend date is March 10. To receive dividends, kailangan makabili ka ng stock na yon before March 10. If bumili ka by March 10 or March 11 onwards, next dividend payout na yung hintayin mo. Hindi ka na makaka-receive, hindi ka na makaka-receive during that time. Kaya minsan makikita nyo na bumababa yung stock price on ex-dividend date kasi kadalasan na binibenta ito ng mga shareholders yung mga hawak nilang stocks during that time. Pero hindi ito palagi kadalasan lang, mostly. Kasi yung iba, may times na tumataas yung stock price even after ex-dividend date or during. Pero mostly or normally naman bumababa yung stock price. Next is payment date. Ito naman yung date kung kailan actual na papasok yung dividends sa account mo. Walang kailangan gawin dito. Hindi mo kailangan hawakan or hold yung stock na yon until payment date. As long as eligible ka sa ex-dividend date, makukuha mo pa rin yung dividend. Example, ex-dividend date is March 10. Ulit. Payment date is March 25. Kahit ibenta mo yung stock on March 11, makukuha pa rin yung dividend on March 25, which is yung payment date. So, quick summary lang. Ex-dividend date equals to deadline para maging eligible or pwede ka makareceive ng dividends of that company. The one who decides who gets paid. Payment date is equals to araw kung kailan mo matatanggap yung dividends na yon. Decides when you get paid. So, common beginner mistakes. Buying on ex-dividend dates, thinking na may dividends na sila matatanggap. Holding a stock too long, just waiting for payment date. And buying a stock only for dividends without checking its fundamentals. So kasi yung iba trap siya na high dividend yield siya pero pangit talaga yung company. And may mga tao talaga bumibili doon for its dividend even though babagsak na siya. So remember that dividends are a bonus, not only the reason to invest. Kaya ako sinasabi na not the only reason to invest is because possible na style of investing mo siya. So yun lang. Once you understand these dates, mas madali ka na mag-plan kung kailan ka bibili, kailan ka magbebenta, at kung paano ka kikita sa dividends. Kailangan alam mo lang yung mga timing on when to buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to comment down below kung may questions kayo about dividends or anything na topic as long as alam ko and kaya ko sagutin. Yun lang. Bye-bye.